You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -3/5. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by x+1. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Multiply by 0. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 2x. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 3 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 5. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals -3/5.